with me today? I cannot get a simple long jump, man. What am I doing? Also, I keep fucking trying to close that menu with the start button, which is obviously not working. Oh my god! Why do I keep getting Chinese shield here? Or is it like a thing that can happen here, specifically on Velden 1, in that tunnel, that your shield just fucking breaks? Because it happened for like 3 times now, in like half an hour. Okay, just do not mess up VR again, please. No one uses shield here? Oh. Maybe I should have paid attention. I thought people would just use the shield to get rid of the small guys. Do you just shoot them with the shock cannon, Musa? I'm gonna try playing MGSVTP. What the fuck are you playing? No, RIP. Oh my god. Metal Gear Solid. Oh, okay, Metal Gear Solid, yeah. Of course I know Metal Gear. Enjoy the game, man. Hope you're gonna have fun. Okay, guess we are just walking towards the wall. Don't mind me. Yes. Okay, how the fuck did that angle work? No, don't. Okay. I think I glided. No, I should be fine. Yeah. Okay, set this up. It's okay. Just don't fucking die. No? Please? Man, I don't know how the first one failed, honestly. Are you actually for real? Like, you saw that I was out of bounds already, and then I decided to walk the wrong direction. What the fuck am I doing, man? Nice. Okay. Whatever. I'm out of fucking VR. I'm gonna try and keep this run and finish it. Whatever happens, that happens. I don't fucking care. And if I have to do Macadia with the Refractor, I just want to play the game now. If I lose 5 minutes on this planet, on Dex, I lose 5 minutes. It's okay. I just need to play more runs. I just need more runs. I need experience in this game. I need to play the game. I just have to experience it and suffer it. Just endure it. Give me turrets. I don't know why, but just give me them. Yeah, ledge grab, whatever. Okay. Thank God the Hyper Strike actually does something in this game. That would have not worked with Ratchet and Clank 1 Hyper Strikes. Man, I'm so bad at this. It's okay. How do I always end up being this short? Like, by this much? Crazy. It's okay. It's actually okay. Buy ammo again for whatever reason, I guess. I don't know. Okay, take your time. It's okay. Thank you. Really hard trick. Okay. Messing this up is actually more reasonable than messing up the neutral long jump. I need this. No, I need this into this. My quick select is fucked, but whatever. We are out of decks. It's not pretty, but it's okay. I can fix my quick select at the beginning of Mercadia. It's no biggie. Okay. Didn't get Dexed, yeah, but we are getting Mercadia now. Okay. Just give me this and this for now, I guess. No, the other way around. Okay, stop being cringe. Wait, no, what the fuck am I doing? I need this into this. Okay. Now get this plasma storm out. Turrets. What the fuck? I fucking hate how sensitive the camera is in this game. Well, I don't hate it, but I'm not adjusted to it. Ah, too soon. Oh no, it's another one from here. Whoops. And I forgot to use... Wait, is that all? Wow, okay. It wasn't even that bad. It was pretty good. But I struggled a little, still. From the left, I think? No, it's from the right. Now from the left. And what? Okay, you have to die. I think it's another one from the right. No, from the left, okay. Another one from the left, okay, it's a low one. Oh, I got this. That was actually a good shot. Okay. That wasn't too bad, but I still fucking don't know where the ships spawn. Okay, kill this ship. Kill this ship and stay here. Don't switch sides. Kill those, I guess. Man, that was such poor aiming. I'm fucking hating myself. Yeah, I'm still fine. Do you play with the turret glitch? Yeah, I play with inverted controls. That's why that happens. Okay. If there's anything you want to tell me, go ahead. I can actually read your messages right now. I'm so sorry that I cannot really read chat a lot during Ouya. I'm still very new to this game. So I'm still struggling to keep up with chat. Because I have to keep my brain active at all times. Like I still actively have to think about where to go next, what to do, what weapons to select. And I still fuck it up anyway. Normal for Rec 1ers, you're not wrong. When you pick up ammo for shock cannon, you can fix it by putting a first person toggle in the second quick select wheel and enabling. Really? I mean, I have it on the quick select already, on the second slot. When you pick up ammo for shock cannon, in German one of the letters is colored wrong. Wow, okay. I just didn't know it did anything, but thanks for telling me, Spider Shark. Also, what's up? How are you? Good to see you, man. But yeah, I appreciate the tip. Thank you. I'm doing fine as well, thanks. Just struggling a little bit in this game. But that's okay. I mean, I'm still new after all that, so. Thanks for the good luck, main. Why is this game in German? It's the fastest version. We save like just shy of 4 seconds or something like that in one cutscene by using the German version. And it also allows us Spanish and German both allow us to do a certain trick on the second planet of the game, which is called Quark Warp. You basically skip the entirety of the planet of Florana and get ported right to the boss fight with Quark as soon as we load the level. Are you guys spreading the Alemus Hawk religion? Is that what's happening right now? Okay, let's not fuck this up maybe, okay? That was such an early hyperstrike, but I live. It's okay. No, okay, we live. It's okay. I just canceled too late. Just take your time. Nice. Good time save. Should be golding this. Yep, that's a gold. Nice. No, I am on Macadia. What the fuck am I doing? Nice. I had by 58 seconds. Let's go. Even though VR and Dex were complete trash, but that's okay. Auf 61p sieht so aus wie so ein... Mara, du bist einfach nur behindert im Kopf. Trotzdem schön, dich zu sehen. Thank you. Oh, man. No. What? Yes, I fucking love when that happens. Just wiggle more, by the way. Yeah, okay, what did I do? Oh, you didn't wiggle enough. Yeah, just wiggle more, I guess. Yes, this fucking trick is so awesome, by the way. Don't you dare kill me again, I swear to God. Okay, nice. Oh, another really terrible Obani. Nice. Give me the shield. Just wiggle, just miggle more, yeah. Just gonna miggle more. I'm gonna do miggle. That was so sketchy. I almost fucking died there. Like, not died, but almost bonked into the building there. Yeah, I'm gonna lose like half a minute here. Nah, even more. Okay, I mean, losing even more. Nice. Okay. I should be still ahead, but not by much. This strat is just stupid, Joe. This strat is nothing but stupid. Yes, first person mode. That's exactly what I wanted into Blackwater City. You know, you have to do this in first person mode. Why? Because I fucking say so, apparently. Man, the fuck am I doing? Rec 3 in VR? That's a scary thought. Nice, that was RNG manip. Charge boots would suddenly be very scary, exactly. Imagine speedrunning in VR, that would be fun. Man, get me out of this, please. Just get me out of this. Nice, really good rifts. I didn't want him down there anyway. First text. Second one. Third. Okay. Nice. Okay. Good death abuse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you fucking die? One, two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. Nice. Okay. Ah, I didn't select the shotgun. Okay. This. Man, where was my shot? Oh fuck, oops. No, I was too close to this fucking guy. Those guys have such stupid hitboxes, by the way, like the Rangers. It's incredible.
Come, Guardian!
The hitboxes of the Rangers is like fucking stupid. Like, makes no sense. Thanks for the follows, by the way, Jasper and Jada. Jasper! Oh my fucking god. The fucking Zack legend himself. Frowning down upon me. Whoops. Speedrunner puking at the end, saying, yeah, I went 0.1 seconds faster. Okay, this. Okay, nice. Okay, this time I even remembered the camera changes hue. Annihilation Nation, okay. I forgot the split again, because auto splitter says no here. I wanna see the Sasha kiss scene in VR. I mean, we can just replicate it on our own, if you want to. I need the shot cannon. Shock cannon, not the shot cannon, man. Select this. Can I get a jump? Okay, whatever, just die, just die. Man, I fucking hate implementing strats. I'm always fucking them up on the first time in a run, no matter how easy they are. And if it just includes walking forward. If it just includes breathing, you know. It's too hard for me on the first attempt. Okay, Hollow Star. I wanna be Clank in VR so I can punch the monkey. Yeah, I'm gonna choke. I'm gonna choke here for again. I'm gonna choke violently here. Man, I don't like Hollow Star. I'm not good at it, so I don't like it. James, shut up.
Gut, Clank ist ihm auf den Fersen. Maximilian versucht ihn im Berufsverkehr abzuschütteln. Super, ich liebe Verfolgungsjagden. Schön, das sieht super aus, Kleiner. Jetzt weichst du den Lasern aus und triffst dich auf dem Casino-Parkplatz mit dem Affen.
No.
In dieser Szene müssen
No, go back here. Thank you.
und zusammenarbeiten, um diesen Vorsprung zu erreichen. Und ich will echte Gefühle sehen, klar. Die Brücke ist weg. Denk nach, wie würde Agent Clank sie überqueren?
Whoops. Okay.
Gut, Leute, jetzt kommt's, das große Finale. Riesen-Clank gegen den Terror von Talos. Mach keine Fehler, Kleiner. Action! Genau das will ich sehen.
Why are you going to the right? What? I should still have him. Oh my god, I had a chance, but I fucked it because I'm fucking stupid. And I suck at this fight. Just come back here, please. Just stay here. Just stay with me, baby. Let me punch you a little. I don't care, I'm chasing him. Get staggered, please. No, don't, not you, Clank. Don't get stuck. I mean, at least I don't have to fight the ninjas, I guess. But it's still not what I want.
Was dein Kung Fu spüren kann. Richtig.
It's obviously still not what I want. Let's see how the proxy goes. Dirty, filthy strawberry, that's how I feel right now. What's up? I need this into this. No, actually I need this into this. No, what the fuck? Huh? This? Oh my god, I'm so bad at the weapons. Okay, that was not good enough. Yeah, whatever. No, where are you going? About Draco. Yo, thanks for the good luck, this. After 8 page clicks, my PC wants to die. Unfortunate. Also, good to see you, Strawberry. How are you? Also, I'm not really sick with it. I'm just bad at the game, you know. I'm just learning right now. Nice, that was really amazing. That was maybe the best move I've ever produced in a speedrun. At least I didn't fucking die here, I guess. I don't know how I'm so bad with that long jump there now. When I practiced this with Izaki, I thought I had the timing down, but apparently I don't. Oh my god, interesting frame lag. Okay. This, line it up over here, all the way down, up until this. 1, 2. I might bonk. No, okay, I'm fine. I've seen you in other rec streams before. Yeah, I'm trying to support everyone as much as possible, you know. Try to be active around the community. Also, I hope you don't have a too stressful day. Thanks for stopping by here. Thanks for chilling in my stream. Appreciate it. Wait, how do you live? Stop living. Oh, I have one more cage stage. I forgot. Now she's coming here and dies. Nice. It's not a gold, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm saving like 15 seconds here. Even more than that. Zeldrin now. I saved almost 20 seconds. Nice. On my last hour, thankfully. Good luck on the runs. Thank you, I appreciate it. That's kind of you. And thank you for the follow. Really appreciate it. Yo, Grim. Did you end up PBing again? Congrats on getting sub 2, man.
Aufgrund erhöhter Sicherheitsvorkehrungen dürfen Thermonuklearsprengköpfe und Nagelscheren nicht mehr im
Oh my god, please. I don't like this camera. I don't like what I'm seeing at all. I'm just YOLOing, I'm just crap shooting it. I don't know if this works. It works, okay. But I would have not complained if this would have not worked. Like, it was just a complete guess in the dark. Just playing this slow because I don't want to bonk everywhere again and fucking fall to my death and cry and be sad. Oh my god, whoops. Okay,
Come, Guardian!
easy gold. Yeah, I've seen the sub 2 hours. But I was asking if you were like PBing afterwards again. Because I saw you were still streaming after getting the sub 2. But I thought you were just practicing, right? Yo, technology, what's up, man? Where am I? With comic skip, okay. Okay, oops. Up here, do this. No! This. X, no. What the fuck? Am I stupid now? Yes, and Okay. I still don't have muscle memory for this. I have to. This is just a thing that I have to like sit down and do for 5 minutes straight, and then I will never ever forget it again. But I have not done that yet, so obviously no muscle memory yet. Yeah, I really struggled to get insta whips down. I took an entire day off of runs just to learn insta whips, basically. But I'm still really like shaky when it comes to doing them. I'm not really confident when I'm doing them. Man, can you like fucking stop biting my ass? Nice Chinese shield. Oh my god, that was terrible. Where the fuck are you going, Ratchet? Nice, I didn't hold L1. Man, this... I fucking hate this proxy. Honestly, you know what? Fuck this proxy. Fuck this proxy, I'm taking the L. I don't fucking care. I'm not doing this proxy anymore in runs. Not for a while, at least. Cringe curve, but whatever. I'm still ahead. But cringe curve. I can save up to a minute on crash side though. If I'm not dying. Yeah, Mercadia is basically the only insta-whip that I'm doing right now. At least the only insta-whip that I long jump out of. Crash side. No, Phoenix first. Okay, I even saved time somehow. What the fuck? Did I like fall asleep in my PB here? Because my PB also went for the cringe route. Like, not the proxy one, but the other one. But my PB didn't like fail the proxy 3 times before that. Go down, go down. No, I am on crash side, right? I am on crash side. I should be on crash side. Yeah. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting that the auto splitter doesn't split here. Okay, please crash side, don't do it. Please fucking don't abuse me. Nice. I died like 4 times in my PB here, so... Okay, second try, whatever. Better than nothing. Oh my god, get the fucking shield out, please. Nice. I mean, not really nice, but whatever. Man. No, this. Okay, that made it. Up to Phoenix, up to Phoenix, up to Phoenix, up to Phoenix. Nice, 2 minutes ahead. I sub to only... What the fuck, Naga? What the fuck, Naga? We love not getting checkpoints soft-locked? Yes. I agree. Shannon's hideout. I kept forgetting to split, man. Whatever. Why can't I support my homie? Because your homie does not have OnlyFans. We also love Nurse Shannon. She's the best. Nurse Shannon was my childhood crush. She wasn't. I'm lying. No. No. Okay, we saved it. We saved it. We saved it. We are fine. It's okay. Just a quick death. Oh my god, that was not a falling. What? Okay, whatever, I guess. I didn't get the checkpoint. Did I? Okay, I did. Man, that was cringe. That was cringe and garbage, and I'm feeling dirty now. I'm a dirty, filthy strawberry now. I'm sorry for that joke, strawberry. Please don't hate me. I fucking hate that small platform that you need to be on, so you make it back in crash side. Yeah. Oh my god. Don't fuck your... Stop fucking fumbling the quick select. No, I bonked! No, not... Sadly, this is the only backup I know, so... Rip 15 seconds or something? Oh no, I got it faster than... Where is my anything? Am I dying here? No, I can bounce 3 times, right? Yeah. Man, where are my moves? My schmoves are gone again. Fucking crazy. Down to chorus. I think I fucking have the wrong weapons on like pretty much every slot. Wie macht man eigentlich Autosplitter? Du brauchst Rackman. Wenn du Rackman nicht hast, dann gibt es leider keinen Autosplitter für das Spiel. Eins, zwei, drei. Na. Wait. Whatever, I guess. Just played ultra slow for whatever reason. I don't know what that was. What? I'm alive. Okay, I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. Fucking how? Fucking how? I pressed L1. How did you hyperstrike? Man, this is fucking cringe and stupid and cringe and... I don't have shield ammo. I'm still saving. I'm still golding. Okay. It doesn't matter. I'm still saving ammo. I'm still saving time. I'm still golding.
Come, Guardian!
But that was fucking stupid. Have you ever thought about insta-whip, that gap? What gap? Oh, no. Yeah, I have, but I suck at insta-whips. If I don't need an insta-whip, I'm not going to implement it right now, basically. The fewer insta-whips I have to do, the better it is. Man, maybe leave the render, it's not that good. There are better renders in the game. Man, this is... Okay, whatever. Just go slowly, I guess. What? Hello? First person mode. No, not the... What the fuck are you doing, Ratchet? How was that not high enough, man? Fuck this game, by the way. Oh my god, I'm crying. Yeah, nice. That's a time loss. That's a huge time loss. Anyone else waiting for any fucking turrets? Really, thank you. I'm not really fucking choking to Command Center right now, man. Like, Command Center is not even the hardest planet in the world anymore. There's like 5 planets that are harder right now for me. Man. fucking blows right now. Fucking stop giving me Chinese shield. That's like the third one in this run. Just bonk on that wall, I guess. Why are you... How? I was not pressing X for the like past second. But okay, game. If you decide we want to wall bounce there, we'll wall bounce there. I guess. Okay, sure. If you say so. How bad is it? Yeah, I lost him over a minute. Nice. Crazy. Oh. Gibt's da einen Guide? Gute Frage. Kann ich dir jetzt gar nicht sagen, Leon. Man, this run sucks, by the way, but it's okay. We are not good at the game yet. Nice, did you see those frames? You could almost count them. They were close to being countable. It was 14 frames. How fast do you count, Jasper? What the fuck? This should be another gold, by the way. Yeah, that's an easy gold. Nice. No.